close-up of my eye.
Yeah, what did you do to your eyeball?
Get a close-up of that pink eye.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Laundry detergent, baby.
Apparently he's allergic to laundry detergent. That sounds terrible. All right, so we are out here at Thunderhill with the new TCR car. Pretty excited. So far, 2 sessions in, which is awesome. Car's running flawlessly, which is fantastic. So, yeah, excited to see how it goes once we throw some newer tires on. These Michelins are very old Michelins. So, yeah, we'll get some new tires on a little later on. Sean and Anthony both drove to start the morning off. They got a feel of the front-wheel drive TCR Life, which. Yeah, very difficult to get temp in the rears, and they both spun it on the outlap, which is fantastic. I thought that was hilarious. Yeah, first time in a TCR car with some really old shit Michelins, and yeah.
Car looks good though.
It does look good. It sounds good. It looks good. It looks fast, which is the most important part. Yeah. So,
yeah. What did you notice most about the TCR car over other things that you've driven in the past?
Hard to get a lot of heat in the rear tires, and the seating position's a lot lower, and farther back, so you just have to get used to that. But the steering's pretty direct, and also the pedal is unboosted, so it's hard to feel how much pressure is enough pressure, more pressure, and I wasn't applying enough brake pressure to really get things hot, so I'm gonna have to do that and feel more comfortable with the car later. But overall, it's good. It's feels like a legit car, so
that's for sure. What do you think, Chris?
It's rad. I say it's a little cold this morning, so it's obviously going to be a bit of a handful. But yeah, cold tires, cold track, and like you guys said, with the front wheel drive, it's definitely exciting to watch.
Yeah,
but I say the sun's out. Sun's coming out, you know.
Just keep revving it.
Keep doing it. Poor thing.
Oh man.
But yeah, the sun's coming out. There's obviously the ambient temperatures rising, and you guys are gonna just get more comfortable with the car as the day goes on. So
I think throwing on, you know, a tire that you're more used to, Sean, right? I think that'll really help. Yeah, I mean, the Michelin is not very forgiving. It's not very friendly with tire warm up. So yeah.
And yeah, we got a cold track, and we also had tires that were used at Sebring for a 2-hour race.
Yeah. So they're just peak. They are ready to go.
It's hard to. There's just lots of X factors to try and figure out.
That'll be all right. Yeah. Here we go.